Hi there. So I am making this video in order to show you how to take this list of, I believe, 94 different people, all in the Spokane area, and put it into this spreadsheet here. Now this list is everyone in the city of Spokane that currently has a building code violation. So most of these houses have been abandoned, or they're substandard homes that need rehabilitation in order to get up to a livable condition. So we'll go ahead and just start with this first one here, 1827 East 4th. So we'll go to the spreadsheet right here, and I'll include the spreadsheet and just this kind of list of links that you'll need in my email. So 1827 East 4th, Spokane, Washington. Now if you go back to here, you'll see that it doesn't have a zip code or a city or state for that matter, but all these are in Spokane. But I do need a zip code in order to mail. So you're just going to Spokane, Washington, and what you're going to do is click on this link right here. I already have that pulled up. This is the Spokane County Assessor. So what we'll do is just start typing in the number. Now this thing is incredibly kind of sensitive and finicky, so you need to start typing in the number 1827 East, then put 4, there we go, 4th, and then you actually have to click it on here instead of so like if you try writing it in 1827 East 4th Avenue, then you press enter. Well, that time it worked, but sometimes if you put it in and press enter, it doesn't pull up. So basically all that I'm trying to say is start typing the address, and when you see your address pop up, just click on it and click go, and that'll take you right here. So in order to get the zip code of this address, we're going to be clicking on this right here. Now this is some other information that we're going to need that I'll get to here in just a second. So this is the owner information, the owner mailing address, and the owner taxpayer. And then we have the site address right here. So 1827 East 4th in Spokane, but again it doesn't have the zip code. So the best way to find the zip code is just to click on this box right here, and it'll pull up another link, and it should pull everything up automatically here. Okay, here we go. 1827 East 4th. Here we go. 99202. So once we have the zip code 99202, we're just going to go right to the spreadsheet, put that in for the property zip code 99202. Then we'll go back here, find the owner information. So the owner is James Combs. So we're just going to go back and write last name Combs, first name James. So we have the property address, which is this address right here. We have the owner information. Now we need the mailing address. So this is the address that I'm going to be mailing my letter to. And that is right here, owner information. This is the mailing address right here. So 11004 East Fairview Avenue in Spokane Valley, Washington 99206. So you can either manually type it in, or you can copy and paste the crud. Okay, so I'll just manually type it in, 11004 East Fairview. 11004 East Fairview, and then the city is Spokane Valley. Oh, let me take that out. Washington. Zip code is 99206. 99206. Okay, and that completes that first person here. So basically what I'm going to be doing here, just so you have an idea of what I'm doing, what my goals are here, I'm going to be mailing all these people a letter saying that essentially that I want to buy their house. In order to do that, most of these houses, some of these houses, the property address right here, this is the property address, will be the same as the mailing address. So on the county assessor site is going to show you. So if the mailing address is the same as the property address, this address right here would be the same as this address right here. But seeing that there's two separate addresses, I'm going to be sending a letter to James Combs at this address referencing this property right here that I want to buy. So sometimes the property address and the mailing address are one and the same, other times they're two separate addresses. So that should be enough information for you to go on. Oh, and one other thing here. Sometimes you can copy and paste this and it'll actually let you, but I don't particularly want this copied and pasted like this because all these are uppercase and I want the lowercase. So I know it's kind of a little nitty-gritty nuance thing, but that's how I want it. Then I'll take this entire list and I'll mail merge it, the name with the property, referencing the property address, mailing to their mail address, and I'll mail merge it into Microsoft Word and print out different letters that I'll be sending these people. So that's why I want them lowercase like this. So if you have any questions, feel free to give me an email, but hopefully this will work out for you and provide you a little extra income.